I'm just happy when the vibes are like this.
Pressure feels good. We're doing our best. I mean, it's hectic, but we're having fun.
Fantastic food, amazing vibes.
Oh, Jamaica is up and running, and I am so happy, so happy to be outside.
The people coming out after 2.5 years, it's just an absolutely fantastic night.
Yeah, it's good. It's a nice vibe.
All right, so tonight we got our squid from rainforest. So what we did was butterfly the squid, and we made a roll out from that, stuffed it with callaloo, Monterey Jack cheese, and plantain. And then we made a roasted cassava ragu, and that's what we're serving with it.
Pressure bus pipe, but we're building some diamonds here tonight. We have a frito misto on a crostini with sriracha mayo.
We're on the waterfront. It's nice, it's cool, there is great food, the company is wonderful. What more could we ask for?
Crisp means that you have to go straight from the pan to the serving plate. You can't fry and put down because it gets soggy and it's not the same. My hands are full. We're frying 4 fryers, we're going non-stop, but we just want to give you great food. Well, we did a take on fish and chips. So we did you a sesame crusted salmon fillet, and then we topped that with some French fries. We offered you a classic Mornay cheese sauce, topped with a dash of bacon, and then, of course, sweet chili, mango remoulade.
It's not just about the fact that Christmas is coming. It's a celebration of life, celebration of family, food, friends, and appreciation of what you have.
Right now, we have lots of food, lots of seafood options, but we also have an ice-cold Heineken and an ice-cold Heineken cocktail. I'm sure people have never had that before.
We definitely have to play in this kind of space.
It's a classic pairing, southern corn and shrimp, or any seafood for the matter of fact. It's an excellent pairing. So I just thought to just go with what I know, what works, and just elevate it with layering flavors. My team, we're all a little bit of pressure, but we're working it through. It's fun. This is my first time doing festival, so it's new. I have 2 boys at home. I'm a homebody, so this is definitely different.
We have an octopus spring roll with a coconut cream sauce. The spring rolls are coming out fresh and hot. They're very crispy.
Downtown is the place. And even when there's a little lull, it's going to come alive again because that's the nature of downtown.
Caliente que picante.
Me like her.
Caliente que picante.
Me the beside her.
Caliente que picante.
Short me like her.
Caliente que picante.
Picante, spice, it's lots of food. I love the pork belly from CB, oh my God. And the mixes by Johnny Walker, oh.
Caliente que picante.
Me the beside her.
Caliente que picante.
Short me like her.
It has been a phenomenal turnout. Every event has been sold out. And I mean, I think we've even outgrown a venue or two. So I think that's a good sign for us as the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival.
It's all about the spice, yeah, picante.
Usually, Jamaica Food and Drink Festival is kind of the kickoff to the silly season, and then you just have like a million events coming after that, and everybody is just excited. I mean, look at the bumper crowd here tonight. People want to be outside, they want to be socializing, and they're really happy to come support a great Jamaican event and have amazing food and amazing drink. I think that's part of the experience and part of our jobs, having to always try reinvent the wheel and also learn from all of the various festivals abroad, you know? That look, Jamaica, we can stand up to just any international festival, and this festival, Jamaica Food and Drink Festival, is showing that.